It's Elizabeth Dock, and I'm going to get a professional photo shoot today and hanging with the horses.
Rock star.
Shower time. I'm ready for my photo shoot. And tub is on. We go.
1 hour later.
What is on? I am kind of nervous for my photo shoot, but I was really happy that we got to do warm-ups all together before we actually went in. And I really like that you got this.
This kind of work, whatever. We're gonna move your hands around. We're gonna move your feet around. We'll throw some smiles in. Awesome, very good.
Am I allowed to do it back?
Yeah. Awesome. Nice. Yep, just kind of keep moving and posing. You're doing great. Awesome. You can pick your bar, whatever you want to do. Nice. Turn your shoulders a little bit more towards me. So you can take that back foot, move it forward a little bit. There you go. Awesome. Awesome. Very good. Nice. Drop your shoulders a little. You didn't even realize you were doing this, did you? Yeah, nice. Give a little angle with your shoulders for me. There you go. Awesome. Little smile. Nice. Take that left hand and brush it through your hair. Your left. There you go. Big smile. There you go. Great. Awesome. That was very good.
I just finished my photo shoot at Barbizon, and it was so fun. It was super sweet. And, well, I really like Barbizon. So if you like Mommy, you should definitely come here. And now I'm going to go home and pet my horses. My Zena, so you're such a good girl. Yes, you're a good girly girl. Oh my goodness, would you like another cookie for being the goodest girl in the world? Oh, Zena. Okay, I have to go fly for your siblings now. I love you. I love you so much. Yeah. It's brushing Sadie time because it rained a little bit ago and she's starting to get a little rain rod on her back. And we want to prevent that, don't we, Miss Sadie girl? Look at that cute face. Oh, I just love you so much, Miss Sadie. I'll be back with some cookies. Also, I got these gloves. They're like curly gloves. They're called hands-on, and they work pretty well.
You thought that you killed me, but this is the scene where I resurrect.
Yes, you look so pretty in the ultimate Nina. Oh, I know you would like a cookie. Okay, we're gonna have one cookie.
If you seek forgiveness, you should shut your mouth and just save your breath. I'm your favorite deity. Get on your knees and show me respect.
You can have one cookie. There you go. Now you have to wait till you are done being brushed. And once you are done being brushed, you may have your other cookies. For being a good girl being brushed. Here we go. Let's get all this hairs off of you. Cause you shed like crazy.
And make me free of something.
So I'm gonna head up to the house for a little bit because I've been on my feet all day today so far. And it's already 5 o'clock and I got up at 8 o'clock and my hip is really hurting. So I'm gonna go. Now I'm working on my model homework or learning it, whichever you want to call it. My dad and I went to the barn to feed the horses and make sure they all look good and bring them in for the night. now I'm working on my equine journal where I keep all my horse information. Taking things off I've done on my sticky note planner and adding new. Didn't update it for a little bit because I was really feeling crappy, but I still got the stuff done, so yeah. And now I re-added to my sticky board planner. Nighty night, Mousy. I love you so much, my little mouse. You have good dreams tonight, maybe. Yes, you have good dreams, my sweet little boy. I love you. Good night, Miss Bella. I love you so much. Well, I guess since it's like 2 in the morning, I'll go to bed too, because I got stuff to do. I know I don't usually do vlogs, but I thought this would be a really fun day to show, especially since I ended up feeling really good. Anyway, thank you so much for watching.